To troubleshoot your Whoop membership, start by checking the status of your subscription to ensure it is active and up to date. Log into your account on the Whoop website or through the mobile app and verify that your membership details are correct and that your payment method is current. Next, check for any software updates for your Whoop device and the mobile app. Ensuring you have the latest version can often resolve connectivity and synchronization issues. If your device is not syncing with your phone, try restarting both devices and then attempt to sync again. If you are experiencing issues with data tracking or analytics, review your device settings to ensure that all necessary permissions are enabled and that your device is properly calibrated. Calibration is crucial for accurate heart rate and other health metric tracking. Another common issue is battery life and charging problems. Make sure your device is properly charged and that the charging cable is securely connected. If your device is not holding a charge, try resetting it or contacting Whoop support for further assistance. For more complex issues or those that persist after trying the above steps, it is recommended to reach out to Whoop's customer support team. They can provide personalized assistance and troubleshooting tailored to your specific situation. Additionally, reviewing the FAQs and support resources on the Whoop website can often provide quick answers to common questions and problems. To prevent future issues, regularly update your device and app, ensure your account information is up to date, and follow the recommended maintenance and care instructions for your Whoop device. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your Whoop membership, ensuring you get the most out of your fitness and health tracking experience.